Hey everyone, this is Paul from Day to Day Fixes. In this video, I will show a few deals for Amazon's Big Deal Day sale, October 10th through the 11th, 2023. We're going to start off with this Wyze video doorbell. A few specs. This is a 1440 HD, 1:1 aspect ratio, two-way audio, night vision, chime is included. However, there is no SD card. You will have to purchase the cloud service that they offer. The cost for this product is $69.98. The next product is the LaView WiFi Doorbell, which is wired. The cost for this is $33.98. It is 1080p. This does have the capability for an SD card. It does require an AC transformer due to the fact that you're using the existing wiring. You also have two-way audio, night vision, weather resistant, AI human detection, and it's compatible with Alexa. Now we have the Wyze Cam OG 1080p for $19.98. It is available in white and black, two-way audio, night vision, sound triggered recording, built-in light, color night vision, weather resistant, could be used for a pet or baby camera, and it does have SD card capability. Next up is the Wyze Cam Pan V2 1080p pan tilt zoom Wi-Fi indoor camera for $21.98. Has color night vision, two-way audio, Alexa and Google Assistant compatible, automatic motion tracking, and SD card capability. Now we have the Wyze Cam V3 color night vision wired. Make sure you click on the 3 camera kit for $69.94. This is a 1080p HD indoor outdoor security camera, Alexa, Google Assistant, if this then that compatible, weather resistant, motion and sound detection, two-way audio, and the capability for an SD card. This product is interesting. This is the LaView 4 megapixel security camera. It's a 2.4 gigahertz. Also available in the combination for 5 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz. However, the price does increase to $42.48 as opposed to $29.57 with just a 2.4 gigahertz capability. Here's what makes this interesting. You can screw this camera into an existing light bulb socket and use it as a light bulb. It works with Alexa, motion detection and tracking, human detection filter, two-way audio and alarm, as well as being SD compatible, outdoor rated, and color night vision. Lastly, we have the Wyze Cam Floodlight for $53.56. It boasts 2600 lumens LED, 1080p wired HD, color night vision, 207-degree customizable motion detection, 105 decibel siren, and two-way audio, dusk till dawn capability, as well as SD card capability. Links to all these products will be in the description. Again, as a reminder, this is only available October 10th through 11th, 2023. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.